like people like Stig or Michelle Mouton about this thing. There wasn't really any handling, and we were looking at plastic. No, 1986 RAC, he finished third overall in one and over. That's correct, yeah. And it was pretty good in the family from the right fantastic. Third overall. What's that give you? Whoa, now you're up to I think we've been in the land there. Oh, yeah. With the other manufacturers involved. We're okay on the nostalgia bit, it'd be nice to see a bit of modern stuff in it. Yeah, like beer Rally 2 and things like that. I mean, I'm trying to think when I was walking around somewhere, there's a Hyundai in there somewhere, so yeah, a lot of people are rallying now at the minute because they're still current. Yeah. These cars are not current now, right so back in again. I think next year, the box disappears out the back window, but yeah, it's lovely. Thank you very much. Look at how outrageous it is. All those, I mean, the massive rear spoiler. This car now. Let's see one there. One more is really sliding wheel. Great. You give us a pretty cool car. One more, mate. Yeah, it's amazing. What do you reckon of that? My goodness, I was just dreaming of a co-driver. I said, what have you done to the steering? No one.